What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Week 14 live cop. At least I think it's week 14. You guys absolutely killed the like button on that last video, and I even said in the video I didn't think that video was going to do very well, and now I think it's actually my most liked live cop. Thank you guys so much for that. I deeply appreciate that. If you want to see me do another live cop next week, make sure you hit the like button, and let's try to get this one to 20 likes as well, and then I'll do a week 15 live cop for you guys. So again, thank you guys so much for that. I really do appreciate that. This week is kind of highlighted by like the tool chest and the waves collection. I'm not going to be going for the toolbox thing. That's way too high of a retail, and I highly doubt I would even be able to touch it if I was going to go for it. So no point in going for that. I do want to get the crusher, the pants, the bowl, obviously. All that stuff. I don't really think I'm going to be able to get any of those. I did see the EU sellout times, and it went, I think, in like 7-ish seconds, something like that. I have Ashley trying to get the bowl for me. I don't think I'm personally going to go for the bowl. I wanted to go for the pants and the crusher in the same cart, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I think I'll figure out like the heat of the moment which one I'm gonna go for, if I'm gonna try to get the pants or the crusher. I might just play it safe and go for the crusher and then go back for the pants if they're still around at that time. Yeah, I basically would go for the entire collection if I could. Yesterday I kind of thought I'd be able to double cart some things, but I just don't really think that's gonna be a possibility. Who knows though, I could be wrong. Oh, actually we did just see the sea lion pouch this morning, so I am gonna be going for that as well. Hopefully I don't have to single cart that, but I guess we'll find out. We basically got about 10-ish minutes to the drop. I'm a little bit early this time, but I wanted to get this intro done, so let's just jump right into that screen recording. Alright guys, we got the screen recording now, and we got about, I think, like 30 seconds or so until the drop. Hopefully we're gonna catch this dub. I was just checking the sellout times again. Not looking that great, so I'm still a little bit nervous, and I decided I'm just gonna go for the crusher hat first and then try the pants. So hopefully we can catch this dub. I'm super nervous actually, because I don't really think I'm gonna be able to get anything. Might have to single cart that sea lion pouch. Alright, we got 8 seconds. I'm just gonna refresh the new this time. Let's go. Let's go. Nothing. Nothing. Come on. Where you at? Alright, experiencing some lag. Come on. Come on, let's get this. Ooh, not looking good. Everything's kind of like frozen right now. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. Dang, I literally can't do anything. Okay. Alright, we are in. Oh wow, crusher is sold out already. Alright. Awesome. Did not see that coming. Wow, they kind of just messed me up. Pants already sold out. Did they like load? They must have like loaded in sold out or something. So that would mean the bowl is complete. Yeah, bowl is gone. So it looks like we're just gonna get this sea lion pouch. Sold out? Dude, is everything just selling out? There's no way we're even gonna get red. There's just no way. Dude, these literally sat that year that these came out. Like, no one wanted these that one year. And now what, everyone wants these? Come on. Oh, this has got to be gone. There's no way. Come on. Oh man, this is killing me. Come on, let's go, let's go. I don't really want to click away because like everything's already gone. Due to high traffic, we are unable to process your order. What? I've never seen that before. That must be new. And this thing's probably gone. I probably should have like checked to see if it's even still in stock. Dude, this is insane of a drop. I've never even seen that checkout screen. I don't even know what's going on right now. Come on. I'll just check on this one to see if it's oh, it's still saying it's in stock, so I might be able to get it. What is that? You might be place your order, please go and try again. Interesting. I wonder if that's new. Have you guys ever seen that before? I've never even seen that. I haven't really seen anyone talk about that either. Come on, just let me cop this, please. Come on, let's go. Oh man, I'm not even getting the like loady bar thing now. Wow, this was an awful drop. Awful live cop this is too. Wow. Come on, just let me cop this, please. No more high traffic. Please, no more high traffic. Come on. Man, this is killing me. Let's go. Let's go. We can get the dub. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's like frozen now. Awesome. I think it's safe to say we are not getting that. Wow, though. What a complete L on this drop, though. I can't even believe that. I really wanted that bowl, too. That's crazy. Oh, we actually got the sea lion pouch. Okay, so we got something. I can't complain at this point. We got that. I wanted the black colorway, but it's all good. We got the red colorway. It's all good. There goes my order confirmation. But yeah, I just cannot believe that about the oh man, are you kidding me? Black was in stock? Bruh, you guys seen it? That literally told me it was sold out. Dang, that's annoying. Whatever though. You win some, you lose some. This is for sure sold out, right? Yeah, okay. Now I'm like second guessing myself, and those pants gotta for sure be sold out. Yeah, dang. I was not expecting to be like that. Like, I knew this stuff was gonna fly, but I wasn't thinking it was gonna like fly like it just did. And the Zippo sold out again. I couldn't get one of those anyways. Oh, I forgot to even look at this bench. Yeah, the bench. Why do I keep calling it a bench? It's not a bench. Yeah, the workstation ended up being $8,800. So that's insane. I wonder what shipping would have been, because I doubt they were gonna give you free shipping on this, even though it does say free shipping over $150 right here. but I don't really know if they would have gave that to you. Dang, I'm honestly like pretty upset about where this drop went. And wow, the pajamas did sell out too. Pretty wild of a drop though. And the sea lions are both still in stock, so that's kind of killing my vibe right now. I could have easily got black. So unfortunately, Ashley did not get the bull either. That thing went so fast. I think because I had loaded in so late to the shop, that's why I missed out on everything. Obviously, some people loaded in faster than I did, so they were able to like completely scoop all this up before I could. Kind of hurt, honestly. There's no way I'm gonna pay resale on this bull. I did really want it, but I think it's around like 150 right now, which I don't want it that much. Pretty big of a letdown though. This drop was crazy. I was not expecting it to fly like that fast. Like I said before, I knew it was going to sell out very quickly, but it basically loaded in sold out for me. Did not expect that. But I did want to say thank you guys again for getting that last video to almost 50 likes. I deeply appreciate that. I know this live cop was also kind of boring like last week, so I do apologize about that. But if you do want to see me do another live cop for week 15, make sure you hit that like button. If we can get this to 20 likes, I will do another live cop just for you guys. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified next time I upload another video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.